Hello everyone, it's Sam here. Man, it's been so long I didn't do any videos, so I do want to apologize. I've been pretty occupied, pretty busy. So today I want to do a video of a new Victorinox. I got a new shipment from Victorinox. So we're gonna start off with this knife. This is a very cool knife. And yeah, let's check it out together. Starting up with this unboxing, Victorinox box, looking box, you know, since 1884. Cool. So we have this box. Let's go ahead and do the unboxing. Alright, put that aside. Got this beautiful knife. Nothing else? Do we have any kind of manual or user? Oh, nothing. Okay. That aside, look at this thing. You know, I'm not gonna say anything, but look at it. For the people who love wood, you know, the wood texture, it's around the furniture, it's around the house. We love it. We love the look of it. So elegant. And you guys can see the Victorinox logo is carved. Feels good. Very cool. We have this nice looking wood, you know, it's really like it. Real wood. So let's see what's inside here. What's inside this knife? Okay, this tool knife. So we have a large blade. Whoa, this is a large blade. Alright, and there's a locking safety switch right here. Okay. Put that there. Let's see, what else do we have? Here we go, different kind of tools. Got a screwdriver, wire clipper, bottle cap opener. Different tools. Okay, we got a can opener, even a screwdriver up top. You can use it for multi-purposes. Got a corkscrew. Okay. Let's see, what else do we have here? We got an L or reamer. Usually Swiss Army adds so much stuff which are hidden, you know. I'm trying my best to pinpoint everything, but that looks about it when it comes to tools. But we're looking at this thing. This thing looks really good. You know, the main fact is the exterior body style, the exterior wood. It looks really good, very comfortable, and for the people who admire wood, you know, wood products. I think they're gonna enjoy this. Feels very sturdy, very well done. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Make sure to like, leave a comment, let me know what you guys think about this video. This is a really cool knife. Let's go ahead and check this thing out one last time. See this baby, awesome. The wood design. So, you guys take care and have fun.